Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we'll show you how to remove and replace, how to remove door computer on Mercedes CLK. We have that 320 right here. Stay with us guys, we'll show you how to do that. Not very complicated procedure once you know how to do it, and we have more than 100 videos. Please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. We have that's the driver's side door. This is the computer we're talking about, so stay with us to show you how to get to it. Now we'll demonstrate on this side, but it will be identical for the driver's side as well. Alright guys, first we'll need to disconnect the battery at least 30 minutes before we proceed, because we'll be close to the side airbag, so we want to make sure that there is no charge at all. We're going to disconnect the battery now, okay, the positive and the negative ones, and let it stay at least 30 minutes, recommended even more than an hour before you proceed with the next step. So we'll be using a 13mm wrench to disconnect the battery post. Okay, this one is out. Now we need to do the negative as well. Do not close the trunk now, because sometimes the key will not work guys. Manual unlocking. I'll show you why. Make sure this one is not touching the post. Pull it to the side there. So we will actually put a plastic cap there, okay, to make sure that it's not contacting the battery. This is the lock that gets stuck sometimes. If it hasn't been used with a manual key for a while, it will not work. We have a video how to open it if you accidentally get the trunk stuck. So next we'll need to remove the cover for the mirror. Somebody already installed a screw there, and I'll show you why. There is two clips holding it, which you need to pry. Okay, one right here and one towards the back. You can see that's where they're broken, because somebody didn't remove it the way they were supposed to. So we'll just get it out of there like that. Okay guys, next we'll need a prying tool. Those you can buy them on Amazon. We usually get those really cheap, and they do the job really good. And right here on the bottom there is a place where you can pry that cap. Okay, and it's, believe me, this one is really tight. So you have to go around it a little bit. Okay, like that. You pull it out. You can see where the clips are. Holds really good. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and there is one screw that we'll need to remove there. Okay, let's see if we can get it out. You can see how big it is. Next, with that same prying tool, okay, we're going to remove the cap for the airbag. Okay, this one here, you can see it just pulls out. So, underneath, another screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, like that. Another one here on the lock. It's a little screw now, so we can remove that plastic piece. Perfect. Next we have three more that we need to remove with the same Phillips screwdriver. Pretty easy procedure so far guys. Okay, the one there as well. Okay, perfect. This one should come off. It's stuck a little bit. Okay, on the rubber part right there. Next we'll need to remove that switch. Here you need to start on this side, then the top and bottom with the prying tool. Okay, I'll show you where the clips are. Okay, the wires we need to just pull it out, and I'll show you where all the clips are now. One is broken. You're supposed to have a clip here. This is the bottom one, this is top right here, and this is towards the front. Okay, so this is out of the way now. Alright guys, with that prying tool now, you can use a screwdriver, but you might damage the paint and the panel. Okay, you need to start prying the clips off. Okay, and there is a few of those. Okay, you can see we have more. Now we will need to go up, okay, right here. So you just grab it up, pull it up to make sure that this comes out of the hole. Now we will need to disconnect the handle, okay, the interior door handle. So let me just get a good view there. Okay, that's how we're going to do it. Perfect, just like that. We need to disconnect the wire on the bottom for the light. And this one has melted here actually. Okay, it came out. Let me show you now. That's what it looks like. So now guys, that's the door panel. Let me show you all the clips on it so you know where to apply pressure. This is towards the back. Okay, you can see on the bottom we have 6, 2 on the front side, and this is the thing that goes in right here on this seal. So that's the one you need to lift up at the end. So guys, we removed the door panel, as you can see, and that's where the computer is located right here. This is the module for the door. In order to remove it now guys, we need to disconnect all the wires, okay, and you can see this one on the bottom, you need to push right here and pull. Okay, this one, you need to push on that black thing and slide the silver thing, that gray thing down. Okay, and that cluster of wire just came out. Okay, this one. Let's see how it is now. And it will be easier to remove those actually once you pull the computer out of the door. So you need to press in here on both of these. Okay, you can see on this side and the other side, press in. Okay, and it actually, okay, and the bottom one is exactly the same way too. Okay, like that. And now you can go ahead and disconnect those, you can see, because you have the little thing that you need to pry. Okay, like that, that tooth is holding there. And this is the module here guys. Not very complicated to remove, as you can see. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.